G'day, Trelly here. You would have saw that big snook that I caught down Geelong a few weeks ago. What we're going to do is we're going to cut him up. We're going to cook him a couple of different ways. A simple breadcrumb and then a straight grilled one just for putting in sandwiches. So here we go. We're just take our fish, we're going to put it in the pan, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we're going to put it in the sandwich with a bit of lettuce. That's it. All right, so really easy. Bit of salt, bit of pepper, hot pan, basic sandwich. Fish, sandwich, lettuce, and butter. No margarine, butter. It's got to be on there like cheese, like this.
There is too much butter on those.
Right, now what we're going to do is just grab our pieces of fish, pop it on our bread there, simply pop that on top there like that. That's it. Bit of a taste test here from one of the customers.
Get your nose right into it.
Simple sandwich.
Simple.
Yeah.
And you didn't fuck it up.
No, that's right. Simple. Don't fuck it up. Just make it simple, all right?